Alexander.
Hey, Mom.
Welcome to Dee's World. Say Dee's World. Say Dee's World, Alex.
Dee's
World. Okay, guys. Alexander is Alexander is fully potty trained. Woo! Clap, Alex. Yay! He's potty trained, y'all. Woo! Yay! Okay, guys, so today I'm going to share with you my tips that I use myself, and little hacks, little mommy hacks that I use to potty. Yes, the fully trained, potty trained Alexander. You guys, it was not easy, okay? But we are here. He's pee in the potty, pee in the potty, pee in the potty, pee in the potty. All right? Yay! Let's clap again, Alex. He's excited. Come on, clap. Alex, let's clap. Woo! He's potty trained. Yay! It's okay, you guys. And
Mommy.
yes.
Huggy.
Oh. So guys, I'm gonna share with you some of my very helpful tips and little hacks that I use that really helped me potty train, or should I say me and my husband. It helped us both potty train our toddler Alexander, okay? So tip number one would have to be to remove all diapers and pull-ups, okay? Please remove all of those. Okay, why I say that is because that becomes like a crutch for them, and they continue to use the bathroom on themselves when you do it that way. You have to really completely let them know, hey, it is time for you to be a big kid now. It's time to use the potty. So replace those pull-ups and those diapers with underwear, okay? Because when you put that on, they will start to feel when they pee on themselves. I hope you guys can see me really good. They'll start to feel when they pee on themselves, and if they poop on themselves, and it'll give them this weird sensation like, oh, wait a minute, something's not right. I need to be using the potty. Okay, tip number two will have to be, I would say, to come up with a great routine for them, okay? Let them know that when they wake up in the morning, it's time to potty. Before they go to bed at night, it's time to potty. After each meal, take them to the potty. You know what I mean? Wait a couple of seconds and take them to the potty. So come up with some type of routine that they can get into the routine rotation, so they can know, okay, after each meal, my mom or dad is taking me to the potty, you know what I mean? And before bed, they're taking me to the potty. So they can know, hey, normally I pee around this time, and this is the time my parents normally, take me to the potty. Number three tip will have to be communication. You have to communicate with your toddler, okay? Some toddlers can speak excellent, and some toddlers can't. Some toddlers, have their own little way of saying things. Like for Alexander, his way of saying toilet was potty. He actually said potty, I think because he heard us saying it's time to potty train, so he took that and applied it to the actual toilet. So 9 times out of 10, a kid is not going to say, I have to go use the toilet, so they're going to say potty. So communicate with them, know their little signals. If he's saying pot, take him to the potty. If he's saying potty, take him to the potty. If he holds himself and just stand there and don't say nothing at all, or he or she holds himself and stand there and don't say anything at all, take them to the potty. That's their communication and way. I'm sorry, Alex in the back, but that's their communication and way of telling you, I have to potty, okay? Number 4 tip would have to be patience. You have to have patience, because you never know when they're going to become fully potty trained. I remember we thought Alex was done being potty trained because he was doing so great, but then guess what? He had an accident. He pooped in his underwear, and that's still going to happen. That goes over. Basically, have patience. It's okay for your child to take a short time to potty. It's normal for them to take a short time to potty. It's normal for them to take a long time to fully potty train. So be patient, okay? You cannot lose your patience in this time. The next tip I would have to say would be to the next tip I would have to say would be that mistakes, just know, moms, mistakes will happen. They will be out and poop or pee on themselves, okay? They will sometimes pee on themselves at night. They will sometimes miss the toilet, you know, and all of that stuff. So don't be afraid or don't feel like you're failing because they made a mistake. Just know that mistakes happen, and that's just part of potty training. Okay, my next tip will have to be relatability. And what I mean by that is if you have to use the bathroom as a mom or a dad, say it out loud. Let the child know that you're using the potty, okay? Because that's what I do. That's what I did during Alexander's potty training. When I had to pee, I said, "Oh, I gotta pee," and I went to the potty. Okay, when Dad has to pee, he'll say, "Oh my God, I gotta go pee." When he's around Alex, and he'll go to the potty, and Alex will look at us like we're crazy, but he knows, hey, my parents are pee-peeing in the potty. Same with his siblings; they didn't want to do that. They thought it was corny, but anyway. That's just something I came up with, and it helped. It worked because when they see you're doing the same thing they're doing, you have, like they say, lead by example, right? So you guys, and my final tip will have to be don't give up, especially if you're a first-time parent and you are potty training your toddler. All experiences are different, and do the best you can for your toddler and the best for your toddler schedule and the best for your schedule. Believe me, they're going to become potty trained, okay? It just takes time, and if you apply all these tips that I just gave you, they'll be potty trained in no time. Just keep going, and keep going, and keep going, and believe me, if you apply all these tips, they will become fully potty trained, okay? Thank you for coming to Dee's World, and I will see you guys for another video. Bye. Alex, you want to come tell them bye? Come on, let's say bye. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.